Yeah, hello and welcome to another update video about AGIX, one of the AI coins. A lot of people interested in these, but as I warned you, the move here sideways looks still corrective, yeah. And so far, it has paid off to be on the side of caution here. For the last week or so, it's just moved sideways, and I think the way it looks like we have more downside to come. I would change my view if we can really rally impulsively above the A wave high, which is here at 49 point, or basically let's call it 50 cents. At the moment, I'm counting here possible triangle for the B wave. Oops, here, yeah. Which could result in a C wave down. Then I would, however, if we get that really, at the moment I can count it as a wave 4 because we didn't break the 50% retracement from here. But if we break lower, I would consider that a wave 2. Now, I don't feel confident to provide here any kind of turning point at this stage. It's a bit of it's not a great chart. But I talked about the AI coins. They have a short chart history, so be careful with them. My view was when I got into them, I did early January or someone, at some point in January, early January, that I will keep them for the long run. Well, not the long run, but sort of into the bull market, because I think the hype isn't over yet. You always get the waves also during the hype, but for now I'm looking here at this further as a correction. Yeah, and I might add a little bit more. Took some profit along the way for a couple of coins, but it's I might add a bit more lower again when we get the chance. But at the moment, I don't feel comfortable giving you, a high probability turning point here somewhere. There is, of course, the chance we go lower from here. That would actually be the preferred outcome due to the fact that we came down quite impulsively. That this looks like a triangle here. It could be something different, but it might actually be a triangle. And would then, as a B wave, yeah, and would then come down in a C wave. And then I would call that a wave 2 instead of wave 4. Which could lead to the next wave of hype to the upside, yeah. But for now, I don't think it's ready yet. Yeah, it's just moving sideways. If I wanted to count this as an Elliott wave triangle, this at least looks like an A wave to the upside here. Then a B wave to the downside would need to sit here. Possibly a C wave up. Maybe now a D wave down, and there could be one more wave up in an E wave. Either way, as soon as we get a break below the B wave low at 37.2 cents, that would be a confirmation of a break of the triangle in the expected direction. Yeah, bear in mind an E wave can be very short as well, so it might only do a little bit of an uptick and then come down. And if we break above this A wave, which is at 50 cents, it would invalidate the triangle, and then I think we need to look at other options. It could then still be a B wave, especially if it rallies only in a corrective fashion, but not a triangle anymore. So it could just become a larger ABC, A, B, C of some sort. But therefore, I'm not comfortable in giving you a high probability turning point here anywhere. At the moment, the trend is down for me. Yeah, it came down strongly, short term at least. Came down, sideways consolidation in a contracting triangle, getting squeezed into the apex here at some point. And if we break below those levels that I indicated, we basically have a confirmed breakout to the downside. Talking about targets then, well, what you can do, you can go to the beginning of the triangle and take the so-called thrust of the triangle, roughly at the height, and you add it to the end of the E wave. Now, it's a bit too early to do that, so let's say just go halfway into the triangle maybe, and then we get a target down here around 27 cents. That's sort of a rough idea where this might land if it comes down. These triangle breakouts, if this is really a triangle, they are normally quite fast, yeah. So be prepared, it could be a quick drop. This might, of course, be delayed a little bit if it just moves sideways for a little bit longer. Yeah, but the condition here for the triangle to remain valid is that the price now stays below, first of all, the C wave high, which is below 46 cents, and then it needs to stay below the A wave high, yeah. So if it goes above the C wave, we can always get an extension to the triangle, but if it goes above the A wave, yeah, then we have to basically say that the triangle is probably invalid. So, however, focus here on the downside until we really see impulsive price action to the upside. Then we can always adjust our view and the forecast. Okay, that's my update about AGIX. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.